In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Snapchat filters in 2020. So first, let's go to Snapchat. Let's go to our filter selection by tapping on the emoji button at the right of the capture button. And if you notice, these are my available filters. Now, if I want to add a particular filter, let's say the eyes filter, we are going to tap on the Explorer at the bottom right, and then look for the filter that we want to add. This one. And then we are going to use it. Let's click a photo. And what we want to do from here on is to save it. So now the filter is available for us to use. And that is how you save your Snapchat filter in 2020. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.